All right, so I'm just gonna reset this to get the panel going here. It's ready. I'm gonna turn this to manual setting. All right, we ran a fault code. I intentionally hooked the polarity up backwards in this so I can show you guys this. Inside here, if you get your fault code, there's gonna be a little LED light. And it tells you all your faults: over temp, phase reversal, loose wires, a few different settings. So it's blinking 3 times. That tells me that I need to reverse the polarity of the power coming in. So I'm gonna shut everything back down. Should hit ready, okay. Now we have no fault code, she's ready to run. Now the machine is turning on. It's gonna get quite loud. Let the machine come all the way up before you shut it off. Built into this transformer is a safety. If the machine is wired in the wrong polarity, it will not turn on, it will give you a fault code. So always resort back to the fault code in the front, coming back to this LED light. I'm gonna get the machine running, I'm gonna let it run, come up to spec, and then I'm gonna set off the reverse pulse.